Hi everyone, welcome back. So we have completed two sets. So if you are observing the description part of the video, there they have given one WhatsApp group. So there very shortly as the notification releases, we'll be going to start our Zoom class, all the three subjects. If biology is added or not, until the notification releases, we cannot say it. So we are already we are with our physics and chemistry class, and our maths faculty are already ready. So as the notification releases, we'll be starting our Zoom class. So I have given the in the description part, I have already given a WhatsApp group. Those who are really interested, they can join that group such that they will be achieving all these what is mock test. Whatever we are going to conduct, they all will be having that mock test, and all the classes means all complete class will be same. Complete class in the sense of all the chapters will be discussing in detail. Along with that, more questions will be discussing rather than these questions whatever you are observing, whatever in the sets. Along with that, some more questions are there that can be discussed in the, and that will be discussed only in the Zoom class. After at the 100th question, let's see from there. One-on-one question. Let me drag it upwards so that you can see the four options. Yes, see the one-on-one question. Sodium can be extracted by the electrolysis of. Okay, now listen. Sodium. So we already know that Kanaka manages all. Kanaka manages all. That is our. These are highly reactive metals. So here this sodium comes under highly reactive. Remember, all the elements has been categorized in three types: highly reactive, moderate reactive, and low reactive. Now highly reactive elements are metals from its ore are extracted by electrolysis, and moderate reactive by reduction either with carbon or carbon monoxide, and low reactive simply will be heating it, or we can do displacement reaction. So in these are the methods which will be used to extract the metal from its ore. Now if you observe here, sodium, they have given sodium is a highly reactive metal, so we'll be using what method? Electrolysis method. Now remember one thing here, whatever the electrolysis method is there, we'll be doing this electrolysis of a fused salt, or we can say that, we can use fused salt or molten salt, not the aqueous solution. If they are giving aqueous, that is wrong. Only for the fused and the molten salt we'll be doing the electrolysis. So if you observe here, sodium is extracted from the electrolysis, so they have solid NaCl wrong, aqueous NaCl wrong, fused NaCl, that is our answer. Why fused? That all concept will be discussed when I'm going to say this chapter in detail in the Zoom class. So here I won't explain in detail. So the answer is fused salt, fused NaCl. Okay, let's see the 101st question. 102nd. Let me bring it a bit downward. The incorrect point regarding the extraction of metal, they have asked. First thing what they have given, moderately reactive zinc, ferrous, tin, lead extracted by the reduction of carbon. Yes, we all just now we have seen that moderate reactive metals are reduced by using either carbon or carbon monoxide. That is correct. Less reactive metals are copper, mercury extracted by heat alone. Yes, just now we have seen the low reactive, either we can heat it or we can do the displacement reaction. And the third one, reducing agent depends on the chemical reactivity of the metal. That is also correct. Now fourth one, by roasting carbonate ores are converted into oxide and sulfide ores are converted back as. That is completely wrong. In the set 2 I told roasting method is used for sulfide ores and calcination method is used for carbonate. There I told you to remember CC, but here they have given reverse, so D is our wrong. They have us which is wrong, the option, so D is our answer. Which of the following set of metals is never found in pre-state? Never found means what? Which should be highly reactive. So Kanaka manganese, so that is correct. Copper, bismuth, argentinum and silver, magnesium, aluminum, zinc. All three options are correct. So we can simply say that our D is our answer. Let's see the 104th question. Metals of highly reactive are extracted. Just now said highly reactive means we'll be doing electrolysis method. Electrolysis, if we see the options, electrolytic refining, that is our option number D. The percentage of Al2O3 in bauxite. Al2O3 in bauxite. What is the chemical formula for bauxite? Al2O3 2H2O. Al2O3 2H2O is the chemical formula of bauxite. So what is the percentage of aluminum we can find in the bauxite? That is our 50 to 70 percentage. 50 to 70, that is our option number A. Which of the following is do not displace H2 from the cold water? H2 from the cold water, they are asking. So as I already told in set A and set B, we have a priority reactivity series, or please stop calling me cute zebra, I too call like her, call smart goat. That is there. In that, if you observe here, there I told that highly reactive metals can replace the low reactive metals, but low reactive metals cannot replace the highly reactive. That is wrong. Reverse process is wrong. So if you observe here, manganese, yes, copper and see, copper, gold, all are low reactive metals, so it cannot replace the hydrogen. Hydrogen comes first, later then all these metals will come here. Okay, so what is our answer? Both B and C is our answer. Fe3 of C, Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is called as our hematite. Okay, and Fe3O4 is called as our magnetite. So if you write magnesite, that will become wrong. Magnesite formula is what? Magnesite. In the set A, set 1, set 2, I already told the formula for magnesite. What is that? MgCO3, magnesite. Magnetite is Fe3O4. So magnetite. And important ore of aluminium. So here bauxite is important because bauxite only contains maximum percentage of aluminum, that is our 50 to 70 percentage, that is our aluminate. So bauxite, number B. So that page is over. Let's see the next question. Okay, let me zoom it. I'm zooming the page in Zoom. So carbonate ore are converted into oxide. Carbonate, just now I said carbonate means Cc. Cc means what? Calcination. The important ore of mercury. Mercury, what is that? Cinnabar. Cinnabar, because chemical formula for cinnabar is what? HGS. Option number C. Galena is what? PBS. Okay. Which of the following are least reactive? Least reactive means which will not react, which is present in the free state. Free state are what? Gold. Where is the option? Any option is there? Yeah, gold, silver. Option number D is our answer. An example for carbonate ore. Carbonate ore. See, magnesite. I think it is an important one. MgCO3. Rock salt. What is the formula? Rock salt, NaCl. Okay. Next one, 13th one. Sulfide ore are converted into oxide. Sulfide ore means what? That is our roasting method. Roasting method. Okay. Now, next one. Next one is what? Okay. Ag is precipitated by dicyanoargentate. Now here I was thinking that in the before option, if they ask what is the chemical formula for Epsom salt, can anyone say Epsom salt? That is our MgSO4 7H2O. Because why I was thinking that you may ask, or you have not said the remaining option chemical formula. So Epsom salt is MgSO4 7H2O. Now pyrolusite, I already told in the set B2, I think MnO2 is the chemical formula for pyrolusite. Okay. Next, see the 15th question. Ag is precipitated by dicyanoargentate. So this one, dicyanoargentate, this concept occurs in the least reactive metal, least reactive. So least reactive metals are extracted either by heating or displacement. Here displacement is used for extracting this silver, Ag. So here dicyanoargentate is treated with a zinc dust. Zinc. What is that option? Option number C is our option. Okay. Let's see the 16th question. In electrolytic refining, the impure metal, just now I said impure metal will act as what? Anode, because it will act as what? Anode mud. Okay, so it is our option number C. Pure metal is pure metal, where it will be acting as a cathode. Okay, slag is also known as, slag is also called as scum. Okay, slag is also called as scum. Option number D. Okay, let's see the next question. Identify the following process involved in the blast furnace. Blast furnace, smelting. Very easy question, right? Smelting occurs in the blast furnace. Heating carbonate ore strongly in the absence. Just now I said roasting. You just remember chicken roast I told, right? So roasting means what? We require air. Absence of air is our calcination. So what is our answer? Absence of air is our calcination. Option number B. Example for slag. So So what is the slag? So CaO flux will react with silica SiO2. This silica is non-fusible impurity to become fusible impurity. What is that formula? CaSiO3, calcium silicate, CaSiO3. What is the formula here? CaSiO3, option number C. Generally metals at the bottom of the reactor. Bottom means low reactive, very low reactive components. So free state we can say it otherwise. Option number. Corrosion of iron. Corrosion of iron is called as rusting. So what is tarnishing? Corrosion of silver. Silver is called as tarnishing. Metal oxides are reduced to corresponding metal by using. Okay, metal oxides will react with either carbon or carbon monoxide. So carbon will like a reducing agent. So what is our answer? It as a reducing agent, carbon monoxide. Option number D, all. Okay, let's see the next question. Low boiling metals like zinc and mercury. Zinc and mercury, which method? That is our distillation method. If they ask tin is our liquefaction method. Okay, then what about poling? Poling is for our copper, and electrolytic refining is also for our copper. So they have zinc and mercury, that is our distillation method. Option number C. 22 karat. So we have got two types of gold, 22 karat gold and 24 karat gold. If it is 24, it is called as a pure gold. So here, if it is a pure gold, we cannot make, because pure gold will be in liquid state. We cannot make with that ornament. So we'll be taking 22 karat gold, and whatever 2% will add the impurity. Now here, in 22 karat gold, 22 karat will be pure gold, and 2% will be our copper. Option number D is our answer, copper. Okay, so that page is over. Let's see the next page. Loading. Zoom it. Now, at the following reaction is carried out. So PbO plus C gives rise to Pb plus Co. It occurs at 1400 degrees Celsius. 1400 degrees Celsius. Option number B. Blister copper. Just now I said blister copper, electrolytic refining, or we can simply say that poling. So actually this one also given. A and D is correct. So some mistake should be there. Some mistake is there here. Option D. So our poling method. So TiCl4 plus Mg. So this equation comes in the concept when you will be discussing our thermite process. There becomes this equation. So TiCl4 plus gives rise to Mg will react with Cl chlorine to form MgCl2. MgCl2 plus Ti. Where is it? MgCl2. Option number 3 is there. Magnesium chloride plus titanium. Now prevention of corrosion can be done. So prevention can be done. How can we prevent the corrosion? Either we can paint the metals, or we can do galvanization. Either we can use the oil, grease, or we can use a chemical called as bisphenol. So in that way we can protect it. So if you observe bisphenol, they have given, paint they have given. Storing of water, that is wrong. Both A and B. Option number D. Now composition, let me drag it upwards. Composition of copper iron pyrites, CuFeS2. Where is it? Option number D. Composition of hydrated ferric oxide is called as the rust. What is the chemical formula they are asking? That is, it is not writing on it. Yeah, Fe2O3 XH2O. X means here X can be any number of water molecules. That is our option number D. Substance added to O to remove the gangue. What is added? We'll be adding flux, right? Flux is added to the O to remove a fusible impurity called as our slag. Slag is also called as our what? Scum. So that is our flux. Part of furnace where ore is heated. Ore is heated where? Ore is heated in the hearth. What is the fuel chamber where coke, fuel is kept. Chimney where smoke comes out. Okay. Next. During poling process, while using green wood released. So yeah, poling process is nothing but the metal. To purify the metal, we'll be using a thick green wood, and we'll be stirring it continuously so that whatever the impurities are, that can be removed out. So here it is used to prevent the metal from what? Oxidation. To prevent it from oxidation, we'll be using the green wood. So that is our option number D. The gas released in the calcination. Now observe here, as you just know, I said calcination used for our carbonate ores. Carbonate ore means what is the gas? We can guess it. That is our carbon dioxide gas. So option number C is our answer. Yes. Let's see the 136th question. Which of the following ores are extracted by electrolysis of their fused compounds? So fused compound means our Electrolysis method, just now the few minutes back I told electrolysis method used for highly reactive metals. Highly reactive metals. If you observe here, what is that option given? Reaction metal on the top of the activity, that is option number A is our correct answer. Top of the reactivity series is called as our highly reactive metals. Let's see the 137th question. In dash furnace there is a no direct physical contact. So in blast furnace there is a direct physical contact. In the reverberatory furnace there is no direct physical. So earth and the fuel box will be separated out, so there is no direct physical contact. But if you take the retort furnace, even the flame also, heat also will not touch the ore. So here reverberatory furnace is right answer, so some option on here. If they say in the option even the heat is not getting at touching this ore, means you can choose option as retort furnace, but here it is a reverberatory furnace. Let's see the 38th. Let me drag it upwards. 38th question. Name the part of the furnace where the fuel is kept. Fuel is kept in the firebox. Okay. Among the following, the process used for concentration of ore for magnetic property. Magnetic property means our, what is that method? You will be using our magnetic wheel separation method. That is our option number A. Okay. Let's see the 140th question. Identify the furnace in which box and hearth are combined. Box and hearth are combined in the blast furnace. Just seconds back I told. Blast furnace. Corrosion of iron occurs in the presence of, see, we require moisture. Moisture means what? Water and the air, then only corrosion will take place. So air is correct, moisture is correct, vacuum is wrong. Both A and B. Option number D is correct answer. Okay, 141 question over. Let's see the next question. Let me zoom it a little bit bigger. Yes. During the smelting, an additional substance is added which combines with the impurity to form a fusible compound which is called as our what? Slag. What is the additional substance added? Flux. What is the impurity called as? Gangue. That is our slag. Answer. Identify the furnace in which fire and hearth are not in direct contact. If you observe here reverberatory furnace is not given, retort furnace is given, so we can choose the option as B. During electrolysis of sodium chloride, that gas is liberated at the anode. So at the anode, we will get what? Chlorine gas. At the cathode, sodium ions. So chlorine. 140. Let me drag upwards. 145th question. Among the following process used to concentration are based on the density property. So density. The density means what you will do? Hand picking. Is it correct? Hand picking. Our fourth rotation, no. Washing, yes. So there will be a slant surface, there are barriers here, and we will be sending this water. Whatever the density is there, the density of the ore is there, that will be staying behind, leaving behind this what all the impurity will be thrown out. So washing. Which of the following ores are extracted by heat and displacement means that is our low reactivity series method. Low reactivity elements. So what are the options? Top of the reactivity series, that is wrong. Bottom of the reactivity series, yes. Option number B is correct. Now, sorry. Let me drag upwards. Okay. Method is useful to remove the impurities in zinc blend. Zinc blend means what is the blend? Zinc blend means what our ZNS. ZNS means sulfide ore. Sulfide ore means what is that method? Fourth rotation method. So option number D. Among the following, the correct points regarding the furnaces. In blast furnace, both firebox and hearth is combined. Yes, that is correct. In reverberatory furnace, both firebox and hearth is separated, but vapor touches the flame. That is also correct. Option B is also correct. Let me drag upwards. Option C, what they have given in furnace or retort furnace, even the flame also did not touch the flame. That is correct. So option number D is correct. All are correct. 149th question. We are up to the last. Which of the following method is used to refine low boiling metals like zinc and mercury? So zinc and mercury means our distillation method. If it is our what is a tin, or what is that method? Liquefaction method. Okay, so zinc and mercury they have given, so our distillation method is our answer. So last question, 150th question. There are many other questions. The next set will be completing 200. As I said, our aim is more than 200, right? So 200 I'll be completing it. So here listen, So more than I can say give you more than 200 or 300 or 400 bits still I have, but here 200 bits only I'll be saying that. Remaining bits, so the important bits are there, we'll be discussing in our Zoom class. As I already told that whoever are interested, you can join through our link I have given in the description below the video. Okay, those who are really interested, you can join. Last question, which of the following method is used in to refine metal like copper? Copper, if you observe there, impurities will be acted as anode. So pure metal cathode means what is that method? That is the electrolytic refining. Option number D. So with it we have completed 150 bits. Still 50 or 60 bits are there. So we'll be discussing in our last set of this chapter, set 4. With this we'll be completing our metallurgy chapter. We'll be discussing another chapter. I'll be coming back with our another chapter. Let me complete set 4 also, then we'll be discussing another chapter. As I already told that who are interested, they can join our Zoom class. So shortly, very shortly, as the notification releases, we'll be starting our Zoom class with our maths, physics, chemistry. If biology is there, biology also. Maximum I'm thinking biology will not be there, so let's see the notification. Okay, this is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.